So you're looking for a Grandview built bungalow in one of Barrie's best southeast neighborhoods? I can tell you that's exceptionally hard to find, but we got you covered. All that and more on today's episode.
All right, Adam, here we are back in the Innishore neighborhood. Now, it's easy to see why this is one of the most highly sought after neighborhoods in the entire city. It's purposely built to ensure that all your daily amenities are literally at your fingertips. Let's talk about green space for a minute. From the sport courts, from the parks, from the walking trails, not to mention the incredible trails that lead you right through Hewitt's Creek, out to the shores of Kempenfeld Bay and Wilkins Beach. It simply doesn't get better than that. Now, let's move on to the schools for a second. Whether you're looking for a public school, whether you're looking for a Catholic school, or even a high school that was just built mere years ago, you're literally less than 10 minutes walk to all three of them. It just doesn't get much more convenient than that.
All right, I see your proximity to schools and green space, and I raise you commuter friendly and close to all of your daily amenities. Let's talk a little bit about that. We are so close to the South Barrie GO station, not to mention the Highway 400 access from here is exceptional, and you have all of your daily amenities right around the corner, including, and the parents are gonna love this one, some absolute must-haves like a Shoppers Drug Mart, as well as a walk-in clinic right around the corner. Can't stress how much that's gonna come in handy. But let's talk a little bit about the home as well. We have an exceptional all-brick Grandview built bungalow here, which is incredibly rare in the city, over 1,600 square feet with some beautiful features. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. This is 155 Sandringham Drive.
Come with us. Let me tell you that not all builders are created equal, and when it comes to Grandview homes, they are known for their quality. From the moment you walk through the gorgeous double-door entry of this home, you're sure to be impressed. We've got the 9-foot ceilings. It's filled with pot lights in here. In addition to that, it's just about the sheer size. We're over 1,600 square feet on the main floor alone. Now, we see a lot of 1,200 square foot bungalows, 1,300 square foot bungalows, but rarely do we get them in this size range. Truly an exceptional floor plan. Come see for yourself.
Now here we are in the kitchen living room combo, and this open floor plan feels absolutely huge. This is the perfect spot for entertaining if you're cooking a meal in the kitchen and overlooking your guests, or maybe you're just having a couple casual cocktails at the end of the evening. This space is absolutely perfect. You have a gas fireplace, walk out to your beautiful backyard, and this level is rounded out by 2 terrific sized bedrooms and 2 full baths. Come have a look.
Now, it's one thing to have a finished lower level, it's another to have a professionally finished lower level, and that is exactly what we're dealing with here. The drywalled ceiling, it's filled with pot lights, you got great ceiling heights, a gas fireplace, and it's all rounded out with 2 generous sized bedrooms and 1 massive bath. They've truly thought of just about everything, and we are now totaling a little over 3,000 square feet.
Look at all this floor space. There's so much room for activities.
Did we just become best friends?
Yeah. Now, all great homes come with some terrific outdoor space, and this one is certainly no exception. You have a massive, oversized entertainer's deck. You're fully fenced in the backyard here, and you really feel the width of this 50 by 105 foot deep lot. Not to mention the privacy here is exceptional with some beautiful mature trees. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more outdoor space, come follow me.
Now, remember all that green space I was talking about earlier? Well, here we are, a mere 2-minute walk from our listing, and we've got every sport court imaginable. From the soccer pitch to the tennis courts, which make epic outdoor rinks in the wintertime, to the basketball courts, and of course, a full-size baseball diamond. Whether your kids have 2 legs or 4, this is an absolute playground for them.
That's right, Scotty. Exceptional location, and again, in a city full of 2-story homes here, guys, this Grandview built bungalow is an exceptionally rare offering. We are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie, and for more information on this incredible listing and others, check out our website.